Hi guys, so I wanted to share with you this really cool optical illusion art that I just discovered a couple days ago that is called a thaumatrope. Okay, I'm gonna say it again because it's a really weird word, a thaumatrope, which is basically an optical illusion that takes two pictures and combines them into one. Like I have my little bird and my cage. Let me show you my example real quick so you can see how cool this is. Wasn't that awesome and super easy? The only things that you really need for it is a little piece of paper, something super small like this. You can also use an index card that works really well, a pencil to tape it onto, tape and color pencils or crayons. Markers do work, but sometimes the markers will bleed through the paper and you don't want that because then you'll be able to see the image on the other side. So like I just showed you, I have made a bird and cage one that made it look like the bird was in the cage. But for this one, I'm going to show you how to do a little fish in a bowl. So I'm going to draw that for you real quick just so you can see. But like I said, this is super easy and it's a really quick thing that you can show your friends and your parents and stuff, and it makes it look like it's an optical illusion. So when you are drawing on your paper, you do want to make sure you fold it in half. That's just going to make sure that you have an equal amount of space to draw both pieces, whatever it is you're going to draw. Like I said, on one side, I'm going to do a fishbowl. The other side, I'm going to do a little goldfish. So make it super easy for ourselves. I'm just going to take my color pencil here, and I am first going to draw a little bowl. Okay, I'm going to add some water in there, and I am going to color that part in. Okay, if I'm going to go through, I'm just going to make the edges around it a little bit darker, just so I can make sure that I see everything on there. Now, the main thing, since this is two parts and they have to coexist, they have to go together really well, you don't want to draw your goldfish up here in the corner. You want to make sure your goldfish is going to be in the water. So if it does help you, you could try to see through your paper. Like I can see, I know you can't see that much on the screen, but I can see a little bit of my paper. Also, you could hold it up to the window if it really helps. But all you want to make sure you do is to draw your little goldfish on the other side of the paper and make sure again that it is going to be in the water and not sticking out of the water or anything like that. So draw our little goldfish guy. Just gonna draw some extra little details. Another little fin. So like that, super easy. Like I said, we're making this one super easy. Now that is pretty much it. All we have to do is tape it onto our pencil. So I'm just gonna take a little piece of tape. You could glue it, but since you're gonna be putting it on a pencil, might as well tape it. So I'm gonna fold this shut so both my pictures on the outside, and I'm gonna tape it shut real quick just so I can make sure that it's secure. Now I'm going to just put my pencil in there. It doesn't matter where you put it, but I like to put it kind of towards the top just so I can make sure that I have enough room to put my hands. You saw in the video, the example, you have to move it back and forth. So if you put it too low, you might not have room for your hands to go on there. So I'm just going to tape it kind of close to the eraser side. It honestly doesn't matter if your tape is showing because that's not the point. We want to see the illusion. Okay, so as of right now, we have little fish and we have a bowl. Let's see if we can see it already. If not, we might have to fix some things. So let's see. So you can pretty much see the little fish swimming in the bowl. It is so cool. So you can honestly do any design that you want on here. The biggest thing to remember, they are two parts. Like on this one, two parts, one part fish, one part bowl. This one was one part bird, one part a bird cage. So as long as there's two parts to your drawing, that's all you need. You can do one part an ice cream scoop, one part an ice cream cone. You can do one part a car, one part a wheel, or the top and bottom of clothes, something like that. So it's up to you, but I just thought this was really cool. I wanted to share with y'all. So try it at home and tell me what you think. See y'all later, guys. Bye.